Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into an explainer that is literally going to transform how you handle repetitive digital tasks. We're putting on our AI automation engineer hats to build something incredibly powerful.
So let me ask you, have you ever spent hours creating LinkedIn posts, writing out Twitter threads, hunting down hashtags, formatting the content, and then manually posting it across multiple platforms? It's exhausting, right? Picture this. You've got a student learning AI, super eager to share their newfound knowledge online to build a portfolio. But instead of actually studying or building models, they end up wasting countless hours just writing and formatting posts. It's a massive bottleneck, not just for students, but for content creators and businesses too.
The ultimate solution to this problem, an AI workflow. It sounds complex, but at its core, it's actually incredibly simple. It's just a predefined sequence, input, process, output, that uses artificial intelligence to complete tasks automatically. You give it a starting point like a piece of data. Then the AI steps in and takes care of all those annoying middle steps, the reading, the summarizing, the formatting, all the stuff where we humans usually waste our time. Finally, the system automatically spits out the finished output.
Here is our roadmap for this explainer. We're going to start with an intro to AI workflows, meet our digital employee, build the automation engine, tackle some common challenges, put the system on autopilot, and wrap up with the massive career advantage this gives you.
Let's kick things off with Section 1. Welcome to AI workflows. Let's look at why everyone is obsessing over automation right now.
Look at the standard manual process. You have to read an article, draft a LinkedIn post, rewrite it for Twitter, and hit publish manually. You're easily looking at 30 to 45 minutes of human effort per article. But in AI workflow, you literally just paste a link into a Google Sheet. The workflow auto-generates the content and posts it everywhere. Boom! You've cut your human effort to less than 2 minutes. That is an absolute game changer for productivity.
Moving to Section 2. Meet your digital employee. To get this massive productivity boost without writing crazy code from scratch, we use a visual workflow platform called NN.
Think of NN as your own tireless digital intern. It's a hugely popular low-code platform that connects hundreds of applications together. And the best part? Unlike us, this digital employee never sleeps, doesn't need a coffee break, and perfectly follows every single instruction you give it.
So how does this intern actually work? Well, it all comes down to nodes and connections. Think of nodes as specialized employees. You've got a Google Sheets node handling data, a Gemini AI node analyzing text, and LinkedIn or Twitter nodes for publishing. Connections are just the communication lines routing data between them. So an article comes in through Google Sheets, travels down the line to Gemini, gets summarized, and passes right over to the social media nodes.
All right, Section 3. Building the automation engine. Let's put our developer hats on and actually walk through building this pipeline step by step.
We kick things off with a Google Sheets trigger. The moment you add a new row with an article link, the process starts. You'll set up OAuth 2.0 authentication, which is basically just a secure digital handshake so NNN can access your sheet. Once triggered, the data goes straight to a node powered by the Google Gemini chat model. Here, we give Gemini a specific prompt. We tell it, hey, act as a social media strategist, grab the 3 most important insights, and give me a tight summary under 200 words.
Next, we take that summary and branch it out into 2 different LLM nodes. The first one is told to write a detailed professional LinkedIn post with a strong call to action. At the exact same time, the second node is drafting a punchy Twitter post, keeping it strictly under 30 words. Once the AI generates the distinct text, it connects directly to the auto-publish nodes. The workflow authenticates with your social accounts, and your content goes live. Just like that.
Section 4. Overcoming automation challenges. Look, as with any system, you always have to monitor your digital employee, which is why testing is absolutely crucial. You're definitely going to run into some hiccups during testing, and that's okay. You might see 402 errors, meaning the AI wrote a post that's way too long for the platform's character limit, so you just got to tighten up those prompts. You might face authentication failures or rate limits if you run it too fast. Oh, and a big one for X or Twitter, you might see a payment required error. That's because their new developer portal mandates a paid plan for API posting on new accounts. Testing catches all these roadblocks early on.
Section 5. Putting it on autopilot. Once you've tested everything and the posts look great, it's time to unleash this thing's true power.
With NN, you've got 3 main ways to schedule your workflow. You can run it manually with a simple button click, which is great for testing. You can use an event-based trigger, so it fires the exact second you add a new row to your sheet. Or, my personal favorite, a time-based schedule.
You can tell your digital employee, hey, check my sheet and publish my AI-generated news every Monday at 9 a.m. sharp. You literally set it and forget it.
Finally, Section 6, the automation advantage. Let's talk about why building these AI workflows provides massive career benefits.
We are in the middle of a massive shift in tech. Professionals and students who understand how to leverage platforms like N8N and Gemini to kill off repetitive tasks are in crazy high demand. Companies are desperately looking for AI automation engineers who can take a 45-minute manual chore and turn it into a 2-minute automated breeze. By mastering these skills, you are giving yourself an incredible career edge.
To recap, we've covered exactly how AI workflows operate, using NNN as your digital employee, integrating Gemini AI, and the sheer power of social media automation. If you found this explainer helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Turn on the notification bell so you never miss our future generative AI and automation tutorials. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next explainer. But before we go, I want to leave you with one final question to think about. What repetitive task will you hand over to AI tomorrow?